Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up a group calendar and share in Outlook. Creating a shared calendar in Outlook is one of the best features of the tool. It's designed to improve organization and communication, enabling teams, families, or any group to synchronize and keep track of events, appointments, and tasks. This video will delve into the step-by-step process of creating and sharing a calendar in the mobile app. Sharing calendar isn't limited to the desktop version of Outlook. You can also create and share calendars using the Outlook mobile app. Here's how to do it. Open the Outlook app on your mobile device. Then, tap the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the plus sign in the top right corner or here and select Add Calendar. Enter a name for your calendar. Then, tap the people icon and type in names or enter email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. Now, tap the tick icon to share your calendar. And that's all. Now, when sharing a calendar, it's important to consider what level of access each person needs. As the calendar owner, you can choose the appropriate permission for each person based on their role and needs. Outlook offers the following permission levels for calendar sharing. First, can view when I'm busy. Second, can view titles and locations. Third, can view all details. Fourth, can edit. And fifth, delegate. Outlook offers a suite of tools for calendar sharing and collaboration. Whether you're using Outlook on Windows, Mac, or the web or mobile, the platform offers a user-friendly way to create and share calendars. Following the steps in this video, you can effectively coordinate schedules, plans, and events when your colleagues, family, or friends. Remember to set permissions judiciously, ensuring recipients have the appropriate level of access. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.